Tempo's 5-inch molded channel drain is a proven alternative to traditional concrete channel drain, and Tempo's patented universal fitting kit is a first of its kind in the industry, making it extremely easy to configure elbows, T's, and crosses with or without side outlets. Components of the 5-inch molded channel drain system: 36-inch channel, 36-inch grate, frame, 5-inch square grate, connector, plug, leaf filter, pipe adapters, 2x4, 1/2-inch rebar, 1.5-inch screws. This instructional video shows you how to assemble a nonlinear channel drain system with a 90-degree turn using both bottom and side outlets, including non-standard channel lengths of 12 inches or 24 inches. Channels use a modular design with interlocking components. One end has a rib and a tab that slides into a groove and a slot on the adjoining channel. Channels are locked together using two 1.5-inch screws. Additional channels can be added and locked together with screws. The length of the last channel can be cut using a saw to be 12 inches or 24 inches long. There are lines molded into the outside of the channel every 12 inches to assist with the cutting location. Attach a pipe adapter and PVC pipe by sliding the pipe adapter over the male rib at the end of the channel and insert the pipe. The frame, when used with connectors, plugs or pipe adapters, offers numerous channel layout options. Elbows, T's, crosses, T's with side outlet, for this layout, the frame is configured into an elbow and connected to the adjoining channels using connectors. The 5-inch square grate is attached to the frame using 4 screws, which additionally secures the channels to the elbow. Connect additional channels and lock them together using screws. Attach a plug at the end of the channel. Use a drill with a 3-inch hole saw to cut out the plastic from the appropriate bottom hole and connect the PVC pipe. A leaf filter may be inserted into the channel above the outlet to prevent clogging. Use a saw to cut the grate to match the shorter channel using the markers on the bottom. Install all the grates. Secure the grates to the channels using 1.5-inch screws. Wood 2x4s may be attached to the bottom of the channel using wood screws to provide a wider footing and facilitate leveling. Install half-inch rebar to the 6 holes in each channel to prevent the channel from floating during pouring of concrete.